In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to draw red from the Angry Birds game, showing you everything step by step. I'll also give you a tip on how you can color this drawing at the end of the video, so stick with me so you don't miss anything because today's content is awesome! Hey there artists, I'm Ledy, and in this video, we're going to draw red. I'll leave his image on the side as a reference for you to follow along while drawing. Remember, I'll show the lines, and you just need to copy them to form the drawing. So let's start with the eyes. Now, draw the eyebrows. Next, add the pupils. Draw the bird's beak. Now draw the head. Add the feathers. Now let's color the beak. The chin, the spots, the face, and finally, shade the eyes. And don't forget, you can ask for a drawing in the comments so I can bring it to you. Also, leaving a like and subscribing really helps this channel grow. It motivates me to keep making more videos, so I thank you in advance for your support. That's it for today. See you in the next video.